Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so nothing interrupts the install. Make sure the Xbox is plugged in or has 50% battery, and verify at least 5 GB free on the target drive. Once done, restart the console and your router to clear temporary network or system locks. You're forcing the system to refresh cached installation states, which often unblocks stalled installers. Now try the install immediately to see if it proceeds. If it pauses, move to more detailed fixes. You now address complex causes, storage fragmentation, and competing downloads. First, uninstall 1 or 2 large unused games to free a couple gigabytes. This reduces write contention. Next, open the download queue and pause or cancel parallel downloads. Installers choke when multiple packages compete for I/O. If internal space is tight, move a large title to an external drive. This gives the installer contiguous space and improves success rates. These steps change how the console schedules writes and fixes many mid-install failures. Finish by resetting services and doing final troubleshooting. You should perform a hard reset, hold the power button for 10 seconds, then power on. This clears transient system faults. If network errors persist, clear the saved MAC address and reconnect to Xbox Live to re-establish network settings. Make sure the console OS is up to date, because installers expect specific system files. If nothing works, use a factory reset only after backing up. It resolves deep system corruption, but erases local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.